So, welcome again to this very long duration of free cast or free speech. I just am forgetting what I was speaking in my usual videos, but I am as it is. The way I was starting my previous videos and the way I'm starting my video is exactly the same. I started with the unknowingness, the same sentence structuring and all those shit. But yeah, it's good to be back because I just want to practice my communication now. Because I have seen, again, that's the same concern for me that I have seen the, what do we say? I have seen the, I just forgot. I have seen this very much lag of good speech in my communication. So that's why I just came back and started speaking again. So yeah, so again I went to this very famous stadium called Sambaji to do my regular running and do the skipping as well. I'm shooting the video. Some people are coming behind me, but I just do not want to get nervous because of them. If they come here and look at me, I'll just introduce them into this video. Yeah, so I was thinking to, like, at the stadium, like, so many people comes to do exercises and to running and all those shit. So I was thinking to just let me just introduce to some of them randomly, and I can just this way I can just improve my communication and my I can just what do I say? I can be very much comfortable with my usual speech and be very much comfortable with talking with stranger. And whenever the new situation arrives, with talking with situation arrives of talking with anybody, I can be very much comfortable. I know that, like, I heard this from one of Prakhar's video that nervousness is there in everyone's mind. Like, if somebody is so much professional and is so much profound and so much so much used to with public speaking, some very much renowned public speaker, like just say Jimmy Kimmel or very famous actors like just Amitabh Bachchan just comes onto the stage, there is a bit of nervousness in them as well. It's just that amount of the nervousness, right? And how to reduce that amount of nervousness? Nervousness is going to be there because you don't know, the audience is very much different all the very time, and you just don't know how they are going to react. So that's why it's a biological thing that okay, they will judge me badly, and I like our biology is coded like that. If they will judge me wrong, I will not be able to survive into the society. And that's why, like, there is a little bit of nervousness in everybody's communication all the bloody time, whether it is a public speech or talking with somebody. But that's the thing for everyone. The more and more you are practicing those speaking and communication and whatever, you become more and more aware, and you just are like one step further in this battle with being a good communicator. I just don't know. I am becoming a little bit of nervous because there are people coming on and off around me. I'm just sitting like almost the center of this ground, and there is this really great tournament which is going to happen at this ground, and yeah, it is going to be a it is going to be a very profound and tennis tournament, and let's see what happens if time permits us and we are able to come here and to watch this tournament. We'll be coming here. Yeah, the setup is really great at this ground. There might be, and like there's still a lot of work needs to be done because the ground is not very much flat at here. It's very much up and down, and not very great place to play cricket because the ball will bounce a lot. Like if somebody smashes a 4, there might be a situation that ball does not go or cannot go for the 4 or whatever, it will bounce a lot onto this ground, because the ground itself is not very much flat, and that's why they are still preparing for that. Somebody in front of me is just talking onto the phone, and yeah, he just keeps coming. What else can we talk about? I just don't know. From tomorrow on, like, I just don't know. I have just ordered this Amazon Basics tripod, like which is about to support almost four and a half foot of length of video, like not length of video, but like the height it is providing. The maximum height that stand can go along is around 4.5 foot. So that's very much comfortable for me. So like if let's just say I'm coming onto this place and I just don't have to hold this phone anymore. I can just put it at any distance and make my frame more better, my videos better, and be very much comfortable with that. Yeah, and I'm also thinking to make a public YouTube channel as well. Let me see. I just do not know what am I going to speak, but I'll speak something. It is of course going to be a content related to speaking about something, and I think that generally and usually it is content. Majority of the content is about that, about speaking and speaking. Somebody presenting themselves and presenting their communication, right? This guy is practicing the really fast running, and yeah, running is really great exercise to make your muscles more and more stronger, be more and more what do we say, lachila, I just don't know, be more and more flexible. That's a proper word. Make your body more and more flexible, and I don't know, I'm just keep repeating the word again and again and again. I'm just shooting the video. If they comes here and I won't stop speaking, I will just introduce them into the video and we'll have some talk with them. Yes, what else should we talk about? So currently the series between India and Australia going on. It's absolutely fantastic performance played. It was a really great performance played by Team India in the first test match, and second match is going to be pink ball test match, and they are going to play in the Adelaide, right? What else? What else can we talk about? I just don't know. So yeah, what else can we talk about? My video just got stopped because Mayur just called me, and that's why this Samsung have, I don't know, only Samsung have this feature, not feature can be called, but this bug or whatever, this type of a setting that if somebody calls, your video suddenly gets stopped. Whether you pick the phone up or you do not pick up, the video will suddenly get stopped, and that's a really bad thing. I am thinking, because now what I'll have to do, I'll have to merge both of these videos. I completed around 7.5 minutes, and now I still have to continue for the rest of the 13 minutes. It's been really great to be back. I just want to inculcate and want to inculcate what? Inculcate means that want to think about something, want to add something in my mind, right? So what do I want to add something, right? That's a really great question. I want to add that sort of a mindset of doing something and being able to do something constantly. What constantly? I just want to be more and more structured, more and more disciplined, want to make my body better, want to make my communication better. I want to learn something as a skill, and that skill I mean not as a purpose of earning something. I'm saying the skill as a purpose of, as a hobby. Like, I know something, I have something else to tell you, I have some sort of an art, right? I'm not just a guy who just works somewhere, who is just fit, okay? That will not offer anything for other people. If you have something meaningful, and meaning by that, I mean what, I just don't know. I mean, what do I mean by that is to be able to create something, to like some sort of an art. At least I should know some sort of an art form or whatever. I'm really bad at speaking as of now. Let me just settle. It might be okay. Maybe it will be the last video of us shooting like this, because when the stand arrives, when the Amazon Basics tripod arrives, it won't be very much botherful for us. Then we will be able to put our eggs. We will be able to shoot more quality videos. And yeah, it's personally for me that I don't like this type of a frame, right? What else should I talk about? I just do not have anything to say. Yeah, so we were talking about India and Australia Test Series 24-25, and it is a great test match. I remember when India won that last Test Series in Border Gavaskar in Australia. At that time, I was watching that, and I mentioned that story into my videos as well. So it's been a bloody 2 to 3 years since we are doing this. That's a great thing. I can see the older version of myself, not older, the younger version of myself through these videos. And yeah, I just read some YouTubers caption regarding this thing, that why you should film yourself, why you should record your life, whatever. Yeah, that's great. That is a great sentence and great observation actually, because if you see yourself after 5 years, you will be so much amazed, and you will be able to see that whether you have progressed or not. You will be able to see the differences in your personalities, whether you have been improved or whether you have been declined as a quality person. At least you can see your younger version, whether you have improved or not. I remember this sentence, like it was the first Raw and Real of Prakhar and Shwetab, and they mentioned, Shwetab asked, like the discussion was going on, and like the essence of the discussion was like, if I do not see my younger self as a bad or as a downgraded, what do we say, the exact word I would be saying, if I do not see my younger version dumb, if I don't see my younger version dumb, I am currently more dumb, because there is no change, and it is very much necessary. You have to feel, not you have to feel, if you feel that I was really really dumb at that age, that is a great thing, great sign, because as much as we grow, we get to realize so many things, knowingly or unknowingly, and we change a lot each and every day. And if we see this in the larger scale and the larger period of the time, we are able to see the more and more differences between ourselves, right? That's a great. I think I need to just make my communication more and more better. And what else should I talk about? I just have to speak and speak and speak. Yeah, I just watched this video. I am still with, like, at this age as well, I'm still with Shwetab. What's up, bro? क्या कर रहा है? आएगा क्या वीडियो में, कुछ बोलेगा? कहाँ से है?
इधर ही
अच्छा। क्या कर रहा है? पीच बना रहे हो?
मैं ऐसे ही घूमने आई थी।
अच्छा। नाम तो बता।
गजेंद्र।
तेरा नाम?
भूषण। ऋषिकेश।
जय। कौन सी स्टैंडर्ड में हो?
9th
6th।
सिक्स।
क्या भाई, क्या हुआ? हाथ में लग गया? कैसे लगा?
तो गार्डन में खेल रहा था ना।
हाँ।
गिर गया।
अच्छा। तो क्या स्कूल में मज़ा आता है?
हाँ, कभी कभी।
अच्छा, कभी आता है?
हाँ, जब खेलने नहीं जाते। खेलने को नहीं।
बाकी छुट्टी होती है तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है। बाकी और कौन सा गेम पसंद है?
फ्री फायर।
फ्री फायर खेलता है यार। वो स्पोर्ट कौन सा पसंद है?
स्पोर्ट्स।
क्रिकेट? क्रिकेट नहीं पसंद? अच्छा है।
नहीं,
फुटबॉल?
क्रिकेट भी आता है पर फुटबॉल पसंद है।
फुटबॉल ज़्यादा पसंद है। इंडिया में कौन है फेवरेट?
हाँ?
इंडिया में?
इंडिया में मतलब
इंडिया का कौन सा प्लेयर फेवरेट है?
फेवरेट रोनाल्डो।
इंडिया का
इंडिया का सुनील छेत्री।
वही है। ठीक है। तो जाओ तो फिर खेलने सीखने जाओ क्लब में।
पहले इधर
वैसे भी अच्छे प्लेयर की ज़रूरत है इंडिया को।
खेलने आया था पहले इधर प्रैक्टिस के लिए।
हाँ
क्लब
फिर छोड़ दिया?
हाँ।
तो ज्वाइन करना, अभी तो तेरी एज है, तुझे पसंद भी है तो तू खेल पाएगा।
अभी वेकेशन आएगा ना तब लगाऊंगा।
I just recorded that complete information about not complete information, complete conversation with those little children's little children, and yeah, it was great. I was like, let me talk with anybody, and my confidence has little bit improved since like I yesterday came, and like I had to push myself a lot to talk with somebody, and then I was just able to talk with some uncle. He was very much chill. He was not talking that much, but he was really chill and calm guy. And that gave me a little bit of boost in my confidence. Then I suddenly talked with some random children, and then I again came today and talked with some random children. Yeah, that's a practice phase, your practice playground of the playground for talking with anybody. What else can we talk about? I just don't know. I'll just run this exercise. This is called an exercise. This was a really great observation or suggestion by Prakar Ke Pravachan that you should talk with. Just go there and talk with some random 5 to 10 people and just have a chat with them. This will increase your confidence and you will know what to talk in a conversation, how to handle the how to handle the nervousness while you are being in the conversation. Yes, what else should we talk about? I just do not know. I am not going to cut down this video at all. I just want to see myself how nervous I am, right? And whether am I able to get rid of this nervousness all the bloody time. Let me see. What else can we talk about? I just don't know. What else can we talk about? There is this guy who's just singing loudly, and it is a challenge for me whether I can introduce him into my video or not. But yes, I will be just saying just hi to him. I'm a little bit nervous. He's just singing this song called कैसे हो भाई? अरे रुको
तो जाए कान
कैसे हो भाई?
ए यार सेल्फी क्यों ले रहा है?
सेल्फी नहीं है, जस्ट वीडियो है।
क्यों ले रहा है?
अरे बस प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था स्पीकिंग।
इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग?
कुछ भी स्पीकिंग। क्या कर रहे हो? क्या पानी लेके आ रहे हो?
ये पेड़ पौधों को डाल रहा हूँ।
अच्छा।
प्लांटेशन एंड कल्टीवेशन।
हाँ,
ये फ्री में करता हूँ।
फ्री में?
सबको बताइए।
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ ये
So you are taking care of those plants?
हाँ yes,
That's really
I
great.
take care since I go
Okay.
7 to 8 years.
7 to 8 years.
Yes, I
That's
have
really great. You are having really great muscles.
I have three
actually.
spots here, 3 locations here. First location is that Chhatrapati Shivaji Stadium.
Right.
Second is Pathradi Fata at near Chhatrapati Shivaji statue. And third is Welcome Hotel.
And third is?
And day by day,
You are kind of increasing your range
day
that
by day,
so that these trees can get at least a little bit of water and those things. Right.
speciality. It is my hobby, and also habit care. And
Right.
you can say that habit also.
Right. Like kind of doing this for the climate.
And climate, yes, for climate also, and for public awareness also.
Mm-hmm.
Because of increasing
Because-
global warming, so trees are
And we are observing that Nashik is becoming more and more hotter day by day.
hotter day by day. Yes. In 2024, hottest year of the world
Okay.
by Indian Meteorological Department. That in
So somebody
in
needs to be aware about this.
Yes, huh. Somebody no, all people.
Everybody have to.
I think that all people should be aware about trees. Don't cut the trees, and because deforestation is increasing day by day in whole over the world, so you can see that it is also happening in Amazon jungles also. That provides
They are just
90%
cutting down
oxygen
those and
to
take-
whole over the world.
Right.
So the act is doing the Brazil's prime minister.
So do you watch documentaries and all regarding climate change and all?
No, it is
There
not
is
so
this really
easy.
great documentary you should
It
watch.
is not so easy to do because
No,
it
you
needs
watch-
a lot of knowledge. You need a lot of knowledge on various on which topic you are on this topic. You need a various type of knowledge, and especially in English language, it can't. Be.
No. Okay, right. But do you like watch those type of documentaries?
Yes, I can explain this in our mother tongue.
Right.
It is so easy for me, but not
Right.
in English.
Right. Yes. What do you do else?
I am in Express Hotel,
In Express in Hotel.
Uh-huh.
That's great.
housekeeping department.
Right. There are many customers of our company are staying there.
Which company?
It's called Emerson. You might be knowing.
Emerson Electricals.
Yeah.
एक मिनट.
Emerson Export
I will tell
Engineering
you where
in
is
the
Emerson.
Ambad.
On this road, we will go near Polycap.
Polycab. Do you know Agnishaman?
Agnishaman. Yes.
Just
On that,
exactly opposite of that.
In front of Siemens.
Exactly right.
I know.
Right. So there are many
You are
customers.
mechanical. B.
No, I have done instrumentation. It's a kind of a
Tools.
mechanic instrumentation.
Tools.
That is a
Gauges.
website.
Gauges.
And valves and transmitters
Oh,
and
matlab,
DCS and PLCs.
It means that you are in research and development of gauges and tools.
Not research and development, actually.
Designs.
Design.
Designing.
Like it's a hardware
Design,
type. It's a software sort of
design.
work, right?
So
There are many
there's
customers who-
spanners, screwdrivers.
Not screwdrivers.
This also.
Yeah, those type of things usually
Various
comes
types of
into
tools,
mechanics.
holders,
Right.
inserts, levers.
But in the
In
work,
mechanical line.
yeah, the work that I do, our company makes the big computer systems. So my work is little bit different. Software plus hardware, both. Right.
So
You might be knowing this very big chemical plants and refineries, right? So
designing the structures and the machinery also.
Right, exactly.
Setup, machinery
Exactly.
setup also.
Exactly. Yeah. How is Expressin, by the way?
Uh,
I never have been
Expressin
in
is,
Expressin. Like
uh,
many
in my
inner-
opinion, I'm working there last 6 months.
it is really headache, or not?
No.
It's really good
Yeah,
work culture.
headache is everywhere where you go to work. Headache is everywhere. But I will say that Expressin give me a lot of support from my heavy work, and my struggle was so many before joining Expressin. So I am very happy that I joined Expressin.
Right.
There is not so big, attractive salary there, but I'm happy in that, and I feel they like.
So you are living alone?
So no, there is my mom and Papa is expired. And,
Right. So you are from Nashik itself,
I'm properly from Bhusawal Junction.
Bhusawal,
Central
which
Railway
is
Station. Bhusawal.
the distance is
200 kilometers from.
200 kilometers.
Wo 20 kilometers is my village there. That way. This highway will put up
So
directly
you
in my
just
village.
came Nashik for the job purpose.
Before 10 years, before 10 to my first day was 1st May 2012 when I was my first trip on this ground.
Right. This ground is lovely.
Very.
My soul is into
when
this
I-
house, in this ground.
I daily came here, so
Right.
I forget my every sadness here when I came here.
It gives you a sense of peace.
Peace,
Right.
and also
And when you do intense sort of a workout, there is nothing you have.
when we
Right.
and my hobby is I'm coming out of my depression and frustration also because of coming in contact with the trees. So there is no frustration, depression. I can face all the daily routines, struggles, and works with very happily.
Right. Yeah, that's great. You're having the great muscles.
That when Corona was before Corona, I was doing lot of exercise, but after Corona, so responsibility was a
Big,
lot more came into my
Your
life.
major concern.
So I
Stopped
left
doing the
my
workout.
exercise because of 12 hours daily headache in heavy hours also. But now in expressing there is a happy.
Right.
So many relief. So relief came in my life.
So much relief. Right.
Relief also
That's
came.
great.
And calm down, feeling good.
There might be many foreign
Yeah.
customers in
Daily.
Express.
Especially from Russia and African countries. Especially from Russia.
In like one of our clients is from client is from Russia.
I will tell you that I can tell you that Gateway and Traditions. It left back in the mainstream of. I want to say that I can explain it, but I want to tell that there is a lot of income from Gateway and Tradition Blue expressing GDP.
I'll just let me just stop this video.